Let's start with the definition, but before we do that, please click on the subscription button to get more of our IT tutorial videos. This is from Davisa Computer Training Institute. Call the number on the screen for more inquiries and information. Alright, let's go straight to the definition of Microsoft Publisher. MS Publisher is a desktop publishing package used to easily create professional publications such as distinctive newsletters, brochures, magazines, calendars, flyers, and web pages, even if you have no publishing experience. Desktop publishing simply means the integration of text and graphics. MS Publisher program is also called the page layout program because it displays its publication in pages. It provides wizards that will allow you to create a publication without stress. Alright, to run MS Publisher, simply move this mouse, click on this button here, just follow the mouse pointer on the screen, click on this button, then go to all programs, move down to Microsoft Office. I'm using Office 2013, click and select MS Publisher as Publisher 2013, click on it, and it will come up. You can maximize it. Okay, let me close this. You can maximize this. Okay, now having done that, alright, you will see the publisher environment. You will see some features like blank 8.5 by 11. You will see blank 11 by 8.5. That is the vertical and the horizontal blank. So we have the template here. You can select any of those templates. Okay, you can see already made template. You can select any of this: event, banner, birthday, coupon, baby photo, album. These are the already made formats. There are 3 ways you can actually create a new presentation: by wizard, by design, and by blank presentation. So these are the wizards. Okay, some call it template. So you scroll over to the blank. Let me make use of the blank 8.5 by 11. You can double click on it, and it opens. So here, this is what we call the publisher environment or publisher window. Then on the first bar, you have the title bar that holds the publication 3, that's the name of the program, and you have the menu bar that holds the pull down commands. Okay, the pull down commands. That with that, you can go down and under the pull down, whenever you click any of this menu, you'll see the ribbon, okay, sub menus. So when you click on the review, you'll see the call this ribbon menu. Okay, so like page design displays its own ribbon, the content of its own ribbon are what you're seeing here right now. So you go down. Okay, you can actually minimize this as pages depending on what you want to do. Let me take it back. So this is the publication space where you do your publication. All right. Okay. So having said that, let us begin to make use of some tools in Microsoft Publisher. Okay. Quickly, go straight ahead to typing. If you want to type in Microsoft Publisher, one of the tools you should be making, just click on Home, then select Draw Text Box. This tool is very important for typing. Okay, very important for typing. Let me click this. Show Quick Access Toolbar below the ribbon, something like that. That when you can find some of these tools on the window, just come to this blank space here, right click, and you can say collapse ribbon. This is what happens. The ribbon is disappeared. You can right click. Okay, after collapsing the ribbon, can actually go back to that. So I can even go back to my view. Remember, they're all there, but you just collapsed it, so it will collapse on its own, except you go back to click on it. So when you click, you can uncheck that. Then you click here and say quick access. So under here you have all kinds of this is called quick access toolbar. Okay, so you can select any of this, like the add table, bring forward, bring copy, drop, crop, cut. All of these are part of. So if you want to add any of these tools to this, that's to this customize quick access, that's what you have here, this ribbon. Just click on it like this, crop, and click add. Automatically when it's here, and you, let's say again, draw text box. Okay, draw text box, you say add. You can actually go down and say you need group, say add. Need new page, click add. Font, click add. Bring to front, bring to back. You can just select the ones you want, and you click OK. Okay, automatically look at those tools you added. Okay, you have them here. Okay, don't forget how we got this was we clicked on this and we selected what the quick access box to have this here. Then to add these tools to this quick access box, we had to click customize quick access box. This came out, we clicked on the ones we want, or say draw vertical text box, click add. Okay, and so add that. All right, let's learn how to type in Publisher. In Publisher, you will use what we call your text frame tool. Okay, just go to home, move your mouse pointer to the home tab, and then use your text frame tool or use your draw text box. I think I prefer this. Okay, select your draw text box, that's what we have there. So click on your draw text box, your mouse pointer will change to a cross. Okay, then having done that, you can actually click and drag to create your text frame. That's it. Or you go back, let's click. Okay, I want to type a header, just click and drag. Okay, this kind of headline. Alright, so I can then type whatever I want to type. Let's say Davisa. I'm going to do that in cap. Davisa. Alright. Computers. So I can actually block that. Click and drag your mouse pointer over it, increase the size of the text. I have 48. Can change the color. I'll come under word art and select any pattern you want, or I still go back to my home and select the color. Can make it blue, can bolden it. I can actually change the font face, that's what we call formatting, change the character, look, or attribute. Okay, so that's what I want. Reduce this frame a little. Then go to my draw text box, click and create a kind of paragraph for the text I want to type. So this are the paragraphs I want to type into. I want to type on these paragraphs. So I have another one. Let me create. Just click on your home, click on this draw text box and draw another paragraph. So I have 3 paragraphs invariably. Okay, so I can actually type into this. So let me continue with what this is. Davisa. let me assume I'm typing. I'm actually copying and pasting. I copied and pasting this, okay, instead of typing. So I type to it continuously, okay, to the end of the text box. Now whenever your text box changes to these red knobs, just know that there are typed text, okay, or pasted text that didn't fit into the frame you created, right? So you can actually click on this button and your mouse pointer will change to a picture. So move it to another text frame and click. It will pour the extra into that selected frame. Remember, when you click on this, it changes to a picture. This picture, what you're seeing on screen now. So click here. Automatically you will see that the extra text that didn't fit into this frame will be poured into this selected text frame. Okay, then you can continue typing. Okay, and continue typing. Then after typing for a while, when the text frame is filled and you still have extra text, okay, automatically you can see the color right now is white, the knob on the text frame, but immediately you click out, you see it change to red to show you that you still have extra text that didn't fit into this text frame. So what you need to do is to move your mouse pointer to this and click. Before I do that, let me create another text frame, okay, by going to my home. Okay, draw text box. I want it to be here. I want to be horizontal this way. You get. So I don't want to pour it into this next text frame. So what I need to do, okay, let me increase it a little. Let me block everything there. Then I'll increase it to, let's say, 14. Right. So when I then move my mouse pointer, click it on this text frame that has this red knob around it. This is the point I'll have to click. When I click on it, it changes to a picture. So I'll go to the frame I want to continue. Okay, remember newspaper, sometimes you'll be reading on page 1, they'll tell you continue from page 19. So that's what is being done. So click on this text that has this red knob, which means that you have extra text that couldn't fit into this text. So go to the frame where you want to pour it or continue from and click. The picture will be vertical at first, okay, but when you get to a text frame, it will be a bit horizontal. Okay, then you can pour the text by clicking on that text frame and you see it will continue. And you can see that this new text frame is still having red knobs. It means that you still have some text that still fit into this text frame. So what you have to do is to click on that knob again, click on that icon there, then go to another text frame and pour it. Same thing is happening, still having some leftovers. So you can actually go to the next page. Okay, so how do you go to a new page? You can click on this button here, okay, or go to your home, go to your file either and select new. Okay, this is for new document. That's not what I mean. I mean a new page. So you can actually click here, or you click Ctrl Shift N. Ctrl Shift N will give you a new. This is the right way to do this. Okay, click on Ctrl Shift N to give you a new page. Okay, don't forget Ctrl Shift N on the keyboard. That is the shortcut to give you a new page. Okay, you can still right click, come to this. Okay, right click and select a new page. The computer is busy, then you can select insert page. Okay, then you click have the dialog box will come up, say how many pages. I will say 2 more pages after the current page. Click on OK. So I have 4 pages. Okay, so I can go to the second page and draw a text box here in the middle. That's the pattern I want, here in the middle. Then I will go back to my page 1, click on this picture, I'll click on this icon here and I'll have a picture. I'll go back to my slide 2, then pour it into the second, okay, this the second text frame. I'll actually increase it. Now when you go back to page 1, you say, when you go back to page 1, you say continue in page 2. Then when you go back to page 2, you say read from page 1. You get a connection. So that's how to do this. Then when you are done with this, you can go back to page 1. You can actually change, that's changing the background of a text box. You can click this, then go to your home, click on your home. Then you can either take your click on your home, then here, or your format. Let me take format, the first format. When you click this second format to appear, then you can go to your fill, click this. I'm selecting this color. Automatically you can say I have a yellow fill. Okay, that's the background color. You understand? Then you can also do this for this other one. Click on this text frame, go to and select yellow and blue. Okay, but on this third one, I will go to the second one, that shape outline. Click and select red outline, red outline. Okay, then having done that, I will select the size or the width of the line. It's something like this. Okay, but I want it to be red. Make it red. Or if red is still similar, I can make it green. Okay, let's make it green. Okay, this one's supposed to be blue, so I'm going back to my shape tool, a little sky blue. Then, so that's what I have. So that's how to actually format text. Okay, do your text editing in Publisher. All right. So don't forget that we are having four pages here. Okay, I want to create a kind of header and footer, okay, or a text that will appear, or a graphic that I want to have on every page of my document. So what I need to do is to go to my then just click here, then click the place. I'll just click here. The first thing I'll do is to click on Control Shift Control M. Then my Control M, don't forget Control M. My Control M will move me to what we call the background page. My Control M, so move me to background page. Okay, let me take that again. Just close this. I'll click on Control M. I want to add a text that I want to have on all the pages of the document. All right, let's say header or footer or a logo. That is, I want to create a particular text or logo that I want to have on all the pages of my document. And in this case, I have 4 pages. So how do I do that? I click on my Control M to go to my background page, or what we call the master page. Okay, that's where you create a text that will appear on all of the pages of your document. Like how to get to my master page, I click on my Control M on the keyboard, hold my Control key and click on my M. And this A letter here shows that you're on master page. You can see it written there, master page A. So whatever I type here will appear on all of the pages of my document. So I'll still have to go to my home, select my draw text box, then create a kind of text frame there, and type capital letter Davisa ICT. Okay, although it's small, let me bolden it, can block it, then go to 18 or 20. Can change the color. Let me take that from my word art. Okay, then I have done that. I can actually insert an object by going to insert, select pictures, then look for where I have pictures. Okay, let me look for where I have pictures. So let me select them. What do I want to do? I have anything here? Okay, let me select from that. Select from that. So let me take this, although it's not clear, but I haven't clicked that, and insert. Okay, I can reduce it to what I want. Okay, let me use it as a thumbnail, so drop it somewhere here. Okay, so when I'm done with that, I will just click on my, I'm done with that, we just click on my close master page. When I click on close master page, go to my page 1, I have Davisa ICT with the picture. Go to my page 2, have Davisa ICT with the picture. Go to my page 3, have Davisa with the picture. Go to my page 4. So that is how to create a text that you want to appear on all the page of your document. So if you want to create a kind of, let's say, page number, okay, page number, so you can still go to the background, click on that same Control M we clicked on before. Now it will take you to this master page. So this A here shows that you're on the master page. Okay, so you have to click on either show header and footer. Just click on that. Okay, I want to go, yes, this is header footer. I want to go to my footer. Click on it again to bring you down. Okay, let me just say I'll have to type the address here or the phone number 00344232219. Okay, and I click on close. Then, but if you want to insert the page number, like I said before, now click on this insert page number here. So when you click on it, you have to move this cursor to where you want the page number to be. So sometimes what I do is I go to my home, I create a text box for my number. Let me create it somewhere here. Just create a text box for my number. Alright, so it will start blinking there. I will go back, you get that. I will go back to my insert, remember. Okay, having done that, I will click my master page, go back to my master page, click on insert page number. So when I click on my insert page number, you have a kind of hash sign there. Okay, you can actually increase the size of the, let me do that again. You can just block the hash sign and increase the size. This comes up automatically if you're using version 2013. So let me say 20. Okay, you can actually change the color if you want to do that. Okay, of the page numbering. Let me make it red so that to stand out, dark red. Okay, so when you're done with that, click on your close master page. I'm on the 4th page. You can see page 4. If I click on the 3rd page, you can see page 3. Click on the 2nd page, see that the 1st page, page 1, and the contact will always appear as the footer. Okay, so that's how to manipulate things in Publisher. If you want to, let's go back. Don't forget that if you want, you can actually create other things like inserting pictures. You remember how I inserted my picture here? So that is how to run things. You can actually create a table. Okay, you can actually create a table or insert shapes. Just click here and look for any shape you want to have there. Like a star shape, you draw it. You can actually click on any of the shapes here. Okay, you can bring forward, you can change the color, you can change okay, you can actually go back to insert. You can insert your word art, your special character, choosing of this word art you want, and type whatever you want to have there. Davisa, you can increase the size. Okay, you can increase the size, you can bolden it, you can change the font. Okay, depending on what you want, you can change the font. Okay, you can actually leave it the way it was, red black. Click on OK, and that's what you have. Just move it. Okay, if you want to rotate this Davisa, this a yellow thumbnail here, just click it and can stretch it. Just if you want to distort it, you can just stretch it a little. Okay, that's it. But if you want to rotate it, click on this one here. In some of the versions it will turn green, it will be green, but on this version is white. So click on it and rotate it, then you can actually reduce the size if you're not okay with the size and drop it to wherever you want to have it. Okay, so these are special text. Okay, let me reduce this so that okay, so that's what I have. So you can actually do that also. So when you are done with all of this text manipulation, you can go to your file, click on print. Okay, click on print, and this is how it will appear. Then you select the name of the printer you want to print. Let's say you have more than one printer, so I want to use this. Then I'll click on my print, or I'll go back over to my print properties and do one or two changes. Then I'll click on print. Alright, and automatically this work with printer. Please, if you have any comment or any inquiries to make, please call the numbers on the screen, and we'll reply. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to click on the subscription button to get more of our tutorials, and click on the like button. Thank you very much. See you in our next course. Thank you.